People come from all over to visit Southeast Utah. The solitude is just amazing out here. Our mission here at the Canyon Country Discovery Center is to promote lifelong learning of the Colorado Plateau through education, adventure, and stewardship. We have a lot of different programs here that really apply to a lot of different people, depending on your interests. We've gotten schools all the way from Salt Lake City, from New Jersey, and a few from California as well.
I think my favorite part of the facility here is our exhibit hall. We have so many cool exhibits that are totally hands-on. It's not something that you just stand back and look at, but you can go and play and explore, everything that we have in there. It's very interactive, but it's not just that, but also our exhibit hall changes year to year. We develop new themes every year or so, and our exhibit hall changes accordingly. So it's ever evolving, which is really fun to design and see. One of the greatest things about the center that we have here as well is that it's not just the center. We also have surrounding property. We have about 40 acres here that are full of other experiences that people can use. There's lots to do here besides just the center itself.